Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to add vector layers in QGIS. So if you're just starting with QGIS or looking to improve your mapping skills, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let us jump right into it. So the first thing that you do is you open your QGIS application. If you don't have installed it yet, check out my previous video on how to install QGIS. So once it's open, you will be greeted with a blank project ready to go like this. So before we start, let's quickly go over what vector layers are. So in QGIS, um, vector layers represent geographic features like points, lines, and polygons. So these are different from raster layers, which are made up of pixels. So when you are adding a vector layer, you are adding structured data like locations of buildings, roads, or political boundaries. So to add a vector layer, go to the top of your screen here, the top part of your screen, then click on the layer, then go to add layer, then click on add vector layer. Once you click on it, it will take you to somewhere, a place like this. Then click on these three dots here. Then it will take you to the file that you've already downloaded from your site. So if you've not downloaded this file, please make sure you download them from the website. So I have my shape files here. I can decide to add the KNADM. So what I'm doing is I'm going to select the shape files from this file. So I will not select the IDM0, but I will only select ADM one shapefile, that is the first one. Then I'll scroll down. So I will only select the shapefiles. I will also select the second one. Then I'll look for the third one. And here it is. Then I'll click open. So once I click open, I'll click add. Then automatically these shapefiles will create a map in this canvas. Then I can also decide to play around with the color of this map here. I just go on the layers that have displayed on my left hand side here. Then I can right click on one of it, then click on property. Then go to the where I can play with the colors. I can decide on the symbology icon. I click on it like this. Then I go to the simple fill. I click on it. Then I can play with the colors here. I can change to either this color, then okay, then it changes, or I can also go to this, right click on IDM3, do the properties, go to symbology, simple fill, look for another color. For example, I can do uh, 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 this color like that, then click OK. Then it can change, so you can keep playing with it until you get your desired color. So, and that is it. You have successfully added a vector layer in QGIS. Now you can start working with geographical data and create maps for any project. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.